Some survivors choose to file a report, others choose not to for many different reasons. There is no one right choice. It's about doing what feels best for you.
Recap. If we experience harm, we have access to 24-hour campus support. We have rights and options. We can access campus accommodations. We have the right to report and have rights during the investigative process. Important note, Title IX requires all HSU staff, faculty, and student employees to report incidents of harm that are disclosed to them.
HSU students are working to bring down the rates of sexual violence and create a campus community that supports survivors and makes clear that violence is not acceptable in our communities because we all deserve to pursue an education without experiencing harm.
Here at HSU, we are establishing a culture where embodying consent and looking out for one another is the norm. As an HSU student, you are now part of building this culture.
While the responsibility falls on those committing acts of violence, at HSU we are committed to responding to the violence that is happening now, which is why we created Check It, a student-led project that belongs to all of us.
Check It as a movement is about creating a more consent-centered culture where we look out for one another and make clear violence is not acceptable.
So how can we create this consent-centered culture? One way is by checking it, the verb. To check it means to check in, to take action, to intervene when we see a potential moment of harm.